Yes, this is actual gameplay recorded on the Quest 3. You can play games like this through PCVR. Not only can you get incredible graphics, but you can also get a lot more variety, including games that you'll never find on the Meta Store. And sometimes the games even cost less. Now, PCVR can sound complicated and intimidating, especially if you've never tried PC gaming before. But don't worry, in this beginner's guide to PCVR for the Meta Quest, I'm going to show you, number one, how easy and simple it is to use PCVR. Number two, what you need and how to set it up step by step. And number three, why now is the absolute best time to get into PCVR. But isn't PCVR expensive? It used to be just a few years ago. But when crypto prices crashed down, so did graphics card prices. So now graphics cards are more affordable than they've ever been in the last several years. But if Bitcoin prices continue to go up, then I guarantee that the prices of graphics cards will also go up. Alright, but is PCVR hard to use? Not at all. Here, let me show you. Alright, so I'm here in Oculus Home. I'm going to click on this button right here. And this will reveal the quick settings. I'm going to click on Quest Link over here. And then click on Launch. Then wait a few seconds. And I see a different version of Oculus Home. This is the desktop Oculus Home. And it works exactly the same way as for Oculus Quest. So here I click on my library. Here I'm going to launch Unspoken, another game that I love. And wait a few seconds, give it some time. Here we are. So as you can see, you don't have to be a computer expert to use PCVR. Now, how do you set it up? First, let's talk about what you need. You'll need, number one, a Quest 3, Quest 2, or even a Quest 1. Second, you'll need a 5 GHz wireless router. Third, you'll need a VR-ready PC. But wait, isn't that expensive? No, you'll need pretty modest specs like these. Here are some that you can get for under $500. Alright, so now that you have what you need, let's set it up. Step 1. Connect your Quest and your PC to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Download and install this Oculus desktop app. Follow the prompts and it's going to ask you if you want a wireless or wired connection. I prefer a wireless connection because it's more immersive. And don't worry, you can choose either one later on. Now when you choose wireless, you'll be prompted to wear your Quest 3 headset and activate Quest Link. So to activate Quest Link, go to this menu here, click on that, and then click on this cog over here to reveal the full settings. Now over here, click on Systems, and look for a Quest Link over here. Then toggle the switch on. Then click on this arrow here to launch Quest Link. Now, the first time you're going to use this, you're going to toggle the switch called AirLink. Then give it time to find your PC. For the first time you use this, it will take a couple minutes or so. But once you find it, you click on that and then click on Pair. Now, on your PC, you're going to see a code, this code. So confirm that it's the same one. On my PC, I've clicked on the code, and on Quest, I'm going to click on Continue. Now I'm ready to launch Quest Link. So I just click on Launch. Wait a few seconds, and here I am. That's it, you're ready to go. Just make sure your Quest and your PC are on the same 5 GHz wireless network. Launch Oculus Desktop on your PC and launch Quest Link on your Quest. This gives you access to hundreds of games for the Oculus Rift. But how would you like to play games like Half-Life Alyx or Devil May Cry in VR? Well, to do that, you'll need SteamVR. So here's how to install it. Step 1. Download and install Steam. Step 2. Make sure your Quest and your PC are connected. You can double check that by going to the Quest desktop app, click on Devices, and you should see a green check mark indicating that your PC is connected to your Quest. Now you're ready to install SteamVR. So go back to your Steam app, look for the app called SteamVR and install it. SteamVR should automatically detect your Quest. You're gonna see this little Quest icon on this dialog box. If you see that, that means you're ready to go with SteamVR. Now you can download any SteamVR app on the Steam store. To use it, launch Quest Link. Step 2, launch SteamVR. And you're gonna see a different version of Home. And from here, you can launch SteamVR apps. Bonus round, maybe you wanna get mixed reality effects on your PCVR games. To get that, you need virtual desktop. Here's how to install it. Step 1, download virtual desktop streamer. Here's the link. Step 2, on the MetaQuest store, download virtual desktop. To use virtual desktop, step 1 is to launch virtual desktop streamer on your PC. Step 2, on your Quest, launch virtual desktop. You're gonna see a mirrored version of your desktop. Now on your left controller on your Quest, click on the menu button. This will reveal the virtual desktop menu. Now look for the option called Games. Click on that and you're gonna see all your Oculus and SteamVR games. Click on any of them to launch it and virtual desktop will handle the rest. Now, if you want to get mixed reality effects, there's an option here for VR pass-through. Thanks again for watching. My name is Mick. I'll see you in 360.